Ooh. I believe this has to be the spot. God, it's gonna suck. I'm gonna slide all the way down this thing. Oh. Nailed it. Oh my God. Alright. Final cast. Oh, I got one. I think it's the first time I've ever said final cast and it works. Oh my God. This is part 2 of yesterday's video. I was gonna have 2 separate videos on this creek, but yesterday's video I didn't catch anything. And I went up the river, or up the creek from this bridge. I went about half a mile, but today I'm gonna actually go downstream. Never been past this curve. I'm gonna see if maybe the fishing's better this way, because this way didn't really provide much, but the creek's looking better today. It's not as choppy as it was. So here we are. We're just at the base of that bridge. I'm gonna throw a cast or 2 here and we're gonna move down the river a little bit, see what we can find. This whole area looks pretty, it's definitely decently deep here. I don't know if anything hangs out over here or not, but I know I did end up getting a bite yesterday right when I was about to leave, but wasn't a very big fish and couldn't really keep it in its mouth, so. I ain't seeing nothing right there. See if down the river you got better luck. Seen him jump. I don't know what kind. Seen a fish run underneath the rocks over there. I'm trying to see if I can see him running up the bank. I don't see him yet. Caught a tree though. Man, my luck is just not doing it today. Might come back for it. Oh yeah, I seen like 4 go for that just now. There's one coming for it. He's looking at it. There he is. There's a few over there right now. There it is. I think he's got it. I'm gonna give it a second to eat it because I think he's eating it pretty hard right now. Got him. Nice little rock bass. Ooh, this bad boy's got spines, so you gotta be careful. Nice red-eye bass. There you go, buddy. Got a hit right there. I definitely got one. I'm gonna give it a second. Yeah, I got him. Oh, good, decent fish too. Don't get off. Oh, he's hurt. There you go. Crazy thing. Come on, buddy. That way. Come on. Come on, get out of that. You gonna make it? There you go, buddy. He was bleeding a little bit. Hopefully he's all right. Oh, there it is. Got a hit right there. I don't know if he's got it or not. He does. Dang, what a good sized rock bass. I think we'll count him. Might be hungry. Oh, yeah, got him. Can't tell how big he is either, but... Oh! This tiny thing. I ripped it right out of his mouth. I seen him pop up to the surface there. Cast there one more time. See if I can't get a bite out of him. Oh, yeah, got a bite from something. Don't know if it was that bass or another little bluegill or not. He's got it in his mouth though. I'll give it just another second. See if I can get the hook in him. Now. Hey, another little rock bass. I really am a fan of quick releases. You like Senkos? What if I move it? No, those don't tickle your fancy? How about now? See, he's not really going for it. I don't have anything really smaller than this to throw for him. There he is. I don't know if he's got any brothers and sisters over here. Oh, dang. Man, he hit that like a ton of bricks. He didn't keep it in his mouth though, but he hit it. A lot of rocks here. I'm just thinking there's got to be one kind of hanging out a little bit. Oh yeah, I got one. Did he keep it? I got you? Oh no, too small. I didn't give it enough time. They definitely like it when I give it a lot of pops. Well, he just demolished that. I don't know if he's still got it or not. Seems like he does. Get up. Oh! I will catch you. It will be glorious. The more I make this thing go crazy as soon as it hits the water, the quicker I get a bite. Man, that's a good sized bass right there, honestly. A good size for in here. Can't tell if he's wanting it or not. Chasing this half-pound fish. Oh yeah, he ate it. Okay. Got him. No! Oh my God. Come back, little man. Can't tell if he's gonna go for it again or not, but this time I'm gonna act. Okay, he went for it. Let's actually give this a second to eat it this time. All right, I'm gonna give you just a second. Got him. Good fish, good fish. Come here, buddy. Yeah. Much better fish than I've been seeing in here. Much better. Calm down, buddy. He's an odd looking guy. Can't even tell what kind of fish you are. I know you're a bass, but you're spotted. You got a little baby mouth on you. Very nice. Very nice looking fish. Especially for water that's only about a foot deep. Back on. Something's attacking it. I think I got one. Yeah, I definitely do. Can't tell if it's a small rock bass or another bass or not. He's got him. Oh! Yeah. Let's try that again. Well, that was creek fishing today. Thank you guys for watching. I'm sorry if it's any poor quality. I'm still getting new at the editing and everything, but I appreciate y'all clicking on my video. Have a good one.